Listen,
First, it was Bell, Cherry.
Right.
And then Cherry, Lemon.
Carlton.
But now it's just Cherry, Bell. Cherry, Bell. Cherry, Bell. Every time, Cherry, Bell.
Carlton!
What's up, y'all? My name is Barbara Atewe. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I filmed this cherry red eye and lip look for you guys. It's really out of my comfort zone. I usually go for like a brown lid and a brown lip. Everything's very neutral in my everyday routine. So I really hope you like it. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you like what you see, please continue watching. See you guys next time. Bye. So my brows are done and my face is already primed. I used the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer, the gray one. And for brows, I used the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Black. So for foundation, I'm going to use the Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation in the shade Deep 78 Neutral. I'm just going to use 2 pumps. Not too much, because this is a very very full coverage foundation. Let me bring my mirror closer so I can see myself. Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Chestnut. I'm going to use the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Press Powder. Is there a shade? Translucent. And I'm just going to press that into where, I'm just going to press that under my eyes and everywhere else I highlighted. To set where I highlighted, I'm going to use the Mercier Translucent Setting Powder in the shades Translucent and Medium Deep. I mixed the two because Medium Deep is like too orange for me and Translucent is too light.
I can't lie, you treat me right, making me feel like no other, baby. You got me gone, I'm paralyzed. Need to say I need you daily. You got my heart, but not my mind, yeah. You're working hard, you're breaking her sweat. Just keep it up, I'll never regret. Let's just say you work this out. Boy, you know I love you so, that's why you be acting up.
I'm just going to put this color here from the NYX Golden Horizons palette up here, and then just whisk that around. And then in my crease, I'm gonna go into this shade right here. Oh, and I'm using a brush I got from Amazon. I think it's like, I don't know, I don't want to say it's BH, but I think that's what it says on Amazon. I'll link it down below. Using that same brush, we're going to deepen the crease with this middle color here, the dark chocolate matte one. Just to deepen it a bit more. Just put it in the outer part. We don't want to bring it up into the middle like we did with the other colors. And to deepen that crease just a bit more, we're going to go into the Sephora Luster Matte Colorful Eyeshadow in the shade Tree Hugger. And it has a bit of a red tinge to it, so it'll be easy, it'll be great for the lid color that we have coming up. For the start of the show, we're going to go into the e.l.f. using the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush and going into Iman's Luxury Eyeshadow in the shade Crimson. We're going to use some setting spray. I'm using the Boscia White Chocolate Mattifying Makeup Setting Spray. And we're just going to spritz that. I don't have dewy setting sprays because I'm not, I definitely don't have any dry skin. That is not me. So we're just gonna press it in both sides, tap some muscle. Okay, actually I'm going to use this e.l.f. mirror here so it's closer. The second last color we used, the Sephora Tree Hugger. I'm going to go back into that and just deepen the crease a bit because I feel like we lost it applying the Iman shadow. And since this color has like a bit of a red tinge to it, I think it's like perfect for this.
I get like you treat me right, making me feel like no other.
I'm using that first color. Just buff everything a bit so it's easier and more seamless. Use this dinky Iman thing that they sent me inside the thing. I didn't know I had more of these. Could I just be chucking the whole thing if it I didn't know it actually comes with it. Okay, so just keep that there. And to sweep away the powder on my face, I'm going to take this e.l.f. Total Face Brush. Bring color back into my face. I'm going to take, where is it? This flat kabuki brush from the same Amazon brush kit, and I'm going to go into the Iman Earth Bronzer. Swirl that in. For under eyes, I am going into I am using this Beauty Supply black eyeliner. Just gonna hit that waterline. I mean that lash line. And to just smudge that out, I'm gonna take this thing, I don't know what they're called, just tip the edge of that into the Tree Hugger and then just smudge that. gonna do my liner and lashes off camera because it takes me forever. I'm new to this whole strip lash life, so see y'all in a few. I'm back. The lashes I use are from the beauty supply store. They're called D Wispies by Magic BM Trading. And for liner, I use the, where is it? You cannot see. Okay. The Sephora Stylographic Fine Line Micro Thin Felt Liner. And then for mascara, I use two. I use the e.l.f. Lengthening and Volumizing Mascara before putting on my lashes, and to blend my lashes with the strip lashes, I use the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. So I'm just going to set my face and move on to lips now. Oh, I have to do highlight actually. For highlight, I'm going to use the Neiman Marcus Illuminator, this champagne gold color. And I'm going to, with the contour brush by Real Techniques, I'm just going to tap some and then apply. For the inner corner, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Small Precision Brush. And just tap that in. And for blush, I'm going to use, where is it? The Bronzing Brush by e.l.f. And I'm going to use these two colors here at the bottom.
Just keep it up, I never regret. Let's just say you work this out. Boy, you know I love.
And then I'm just going to set my face with the Boscia White Charcoal Mattifying Makeup Setting Spray. Shake that well. If I put too much, I'll go back into the body sponge that I used for foundation on the foundation side, and then just press that into my skin to soften it. So it's there, but not kablow. Okay, and for lips, I'll be using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Madrid. And to line my lips, I don't really need to line. Just for as a safety blanket for me, I'm going to be using, not this color, I'm going to be using, where is it? The Sephora Rouge Gel Lip Liner in the shade Molasses. This is like my favorite lip liner for everything. So I'm just going to lightly line my lips. Now I'm going to hit the lips with some Madrid. No. Now I got red on my damn... Let me go fix this.